Alzheimer's Advocacy Week was observed this week in Arkansas, a time not only to raise awareness about Alzheimer's and dementia, but for advocates to share stories, meet with state leaders, and focus on better care for those impacted. 5 News reporter Tiffany Lee explains how leaders are working to make changes across the state.
The Arkansas Alzheimer's Association says the past week has given them the opportunity to use their voice and help amplify the need for the state to invest in more respite services, which provide short-term relief for primary caregivers.
So on Tuesday, our advocates gathered to do some caregiver stories. They also sent messages to their lawmakers via email, and then also we use social media to engage as well.
According to David Cook with the Alzheimer's Association, they've been working hard on an Alzheimer's and dementia respite care pilot program.
And we hear from caregivers all the time. My family is engaged as caregivers as well for my father. They just need a break and a recharge, and respite provides them with an opportunity to recharge their batteries.
They say by allowing these caregivers to have short-term breaks, it can even help save the state money by decreasing Medicaid costs, by delaying placement in long-term care, enabling caregivers to remain in the workforce, and increasing access care in rural Arkansas and the professional caregiver workforce. The Arkansas Alzheimer's Association has spent the last week sharing more about the program and the importance of it with state leaders.
I met with Congressman Womack about federal funding last week, and he was very receptive to the requests that we had. State leaders as well.
John Moran has seen firsthand why it's important that we fight for the rights of our caregivers.
My sister has gotten dementia at a very onset dementia at a very early age. 59. So she is in a facility here in Springdale.
Alzheimer's is the 6th leading cause of death in Arkansas. Arkansas is an aging state, and the prevalence of the disease is expected to climb by 15.5% by 2025.
It's not getting better. It's getting worse. We have got to do our part to try to make the lives easier for these healthcare workers that are watching our loved ones.
So as Alzheimer's Advocacy Week is coming to a close, Moran expresses how important it is to remember the effects of Alzheimer's, not just 1 week in the year, but all 52.
This is one of the most debilitating diseases because it takes away the people that you love a little bit at a time, and it needs all of the resources, all of the help that we can muster to end it.
The Alzheimer's and Dementia Respite Care Pilot Program has been presented to legislators and is currently in a fiscal session, and the regular session will be in January of 2023. Covering news where you live, Tiffany Lee, 5 News.